Casement window installation in Washington, D.C. is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement windows Washington styles available, residents can choose from modern casement windows, custom casement windows, and more to suit their unique preferences. Casement window contractors in Washington, D.C. offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient casement windows in Washington, D.C. are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Casement window experts in Washington, D.C. can guide you in selecting the best energy-efficient options for your home. Casement window replacement in Washington, D.C. is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Whether dealing with minor issues or significant damage, casement window companies in Washington, D.C. offer comprehensive replacement services to restore your windows to their original condition. Regular casement window maintenance can prevent costly replacements in the future. Custom casement windows. Washington, D.C. allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their home's architecture. With options like vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, and wood casement windows, the possibilities are endless. Casement window manufacturers in Washington, D.C. provide high-quality materials to ensure durability and style. Vinyl casement windows in Washington, D.C. are a popular choice due to their affordability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer excellent insulation and are available in various colors and finishes. Casement window suppliers in Washington, D.C. can help you find the perfect vinyl windows for your home. Aluminum casement windows in Washington, D.C. are known for their strength and durability. These windows are ideal for modern homes and offer a sleek, contemporary look. Casement window solutions in Washington, D.C. include a range of aluminum options to suit any design preference. Wood casement windows in Washington, D.C. provide a classic, timeless appeal. These windows are perfect for traditional homes and can be customized with various stains and finishes. Casement window designs in Washington, D.C. offer a wide selection of wood options to enhance your home's charm. Double-glazed casement windows in Washington, D.C. are an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced energy efficiency and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass, providing superior insulation. Casement window features in Washington, D.C. include double glazing options for maximum comfort and savings. Casement window replacement in Washington, D.C. is a smart investment for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. With a variety of casement window options available, residents can choose from affordable casement windows to high-end custom designs. Casement window services in Washington, D.C. ensure a smooth replacement process. Affordable casement windows. Washington, D.C. are available for budget-conscious homeowners. These windows offer excellent value without compromising on quality or style. Casement window benefits in Washington, D.C. include cost-effective solutions for any home improvement project. Modern casement windows in Washington, D.C. are perfect for those seeking a contemporary look. These windows feature sleek lines and innovative designs, making them a popular choice for new constructions and renovations.